We are excited to offer Open House virtually this year. Open House will take place on Wednesday, September the 2nd. We will be offering two sessions, one from 6:30 to 7 and the other from 7:15 to 7:45. Our grade level teams and specialists will be sharing out a recorded video about the year ahead on Tuesday evening, and on Wednesday evening, they will offer Q&A sessions to answer your questions. As you can see, if you click on the computer icon, you will be able to view a recorded video to listen to the teachers and specialists share more about the year ahead. So as you can see, if you click on a grade level, it will then open up the teacher recorded presentation. This chart will take you to the Zoom link for you to attend the Q&A sessions with teachers and specialists. Again, the Q&A sessions will be from 6:30 to 7 or from 7:15 to 7:45. The same presentation will be made at both times. Thank you again for partnering with us to make a strong connection.